Shalom, blessed saints. It's another day and another time given to us by the Lord to rejoice and to be glad in it. So I want to speak to one lady, Bishop Margaret Wanjiru. In my interactions with the Spirit of God, He told me to tell you this. Turn your ways. He is ready to restore you. He is ready to restore you and revive you. And when I say revive you, it's to revive you to the point of preaching the truth of the gospel of Christ. Your church, God is going to restore. God is going to heal the brokenness in your heart. The heart that you've been carrying, God is healing you because of His work. God is restoring you, Bishop Margaret Wanjiru. God is going to restore your church to the former glory. God is going to restore you. So listen to me careful. And the moment you will try to play politics again, it is a done deal with you. Because He did not send you. I will tell you with all due respect, He did not send you to politics. You went there by yourself. You went there by yourself. He did not send you to politics. But He is giving you a second chance. And He is restoring you, reviving even your church. So the moment you will think the revival, even in your heart and in your soul, is for you to return to politics, it is a done deal. It's over. And when I talk about a done deal, even you will go to be with Him. He will take you out of this land. No one will remember you again. I'm sorry to say that, but I'm not that sorry. And let me tell you, and this even goes to the other men who God has warned. If you keep on playing with the Lord, Jehovah is going to remove you. There are other few men of God. They are about to go. They are about to be with the Lord. They are about to vacate this earth. They are about to get out of this because their season has come to an end. Shalom. The Lord keep you.